Namaste, India. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host, FRKJR, and alongside Ricochet. Let's begin this. In this video, I would like to show you the new application Oreo TV and welcome you to the newest clip of FR Clips. Oh yeah, let's begin this. So we have reached our destination. Now you can see this is Oreo TV. In Google, you just have to type Oreo TV and you will get here. So you can see what is Oreo TV. It is an Android application widely used for live station after Geo TV quits working on big screen like smart TV. Alternative of Geo TV, and you can install and run it application on Android smart TV also, and you can see all other features also. Let's go. And this is the download Oreo TV, and let's go to the main application. Oh yeah. And this is the main application we've been talking about, Oreo TV 1.8.8. So you can see there is a IPL 2020 full schedule and you can see it there, and you have lots of channels, USA channels, Indian channels, like you can catch up with Jolly TV if it's Geo TV, and you can catch up with Airtel TV also, Cosmic TV, Star Premium, Unicorn, etc. etc. If you want to see IPL 2020 highlights or live, you can see, and it takes loading. You should have a perfect network for this, and you can see the have been started, Hotstar of the match, everything. Thanks spell by Kingfisher calendar. Oh man, if we just have to type it there and the loading, we can start. Let's go. We will wait for the loading. You should have a perfect net to use this application. So you can see the clarity and audio visuals. You can see right there. You can see the highlights of any matches in Oreo TV. So let's take you to other platform of Oreo TV. You can see USA channels or anything. Start Sports, Stars One. You can also watch movies also in this application. So we have reached our destination. You can see there are MX movies, Hotstar movies, Jolly movies, Z movies, etc. etc. So you have to click here, Jolly movies, for Jolly movies. It has good content of movies. So you can see the different content of movies: music, crime, adventure, biography, science, travel, nature, sports, culture, humanity, politics, and eco. So you can watch any types of movies in this Eros Now, Shimoro movies, Hoimoi movies, and etc. 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 So let's go for the shows we've been talking about. So lots of fans are interested in watching different types of shows. So you can see these are the Z5 original shows. You can see the Nisha and the Khalid and the Postman, Telugu shows, Kannada shows, Tamil shows, Malayalam shows, Bengali shows, etc. 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 Kodem, these are the best content shows which are available on Z5 original shows, and you can have any types of shows like Z5 Discovery shows, etc. etc. So if you like this video, hit the like button, comment the video, share this video to most of your friends, and subscribe the channel. Oh yeah.